Hey guys, it's Sub Software here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be starting a new series called the Software Series, where I'll rate several daily use softwares from Adobe and many other companies. So today we will be reviewing the Any Video Converter, where I will teach you how to use and download the software. So let's get into the video. So let's start off by rating the software. So Any Video Converter is a pretty normal use converter that can convert video, burn DVD, and play video. So this here is the UI. I mostly just try and convert video. I don't really tweak around with the burn video and play video. So I just tend to stick on this side. So here it can show you that you can add a CD disc, you can import videos from your computer files, or you can add URLs from online places such as YouTube, Facebook, and more. So the really cool thing about this software is that you get such a big variety of outputs, like all of these. When you go into all, you see a really big variety. The ones I mainly use are the iPod ones because I myself have an iPod Classic and it needs like a special size, so I tend to use that. You also get common audio formats such as .mp3 and .wav, and common video formats down here such as .mp4, .move, and all of that. So now I'll tell you a small tutorial on how to use the software. So for example, let's go on to Chrome and let's just pull up any video from YouTube like this. Let's refresh it. Let's go for You Can't Duck the Zuck. Okay. Now once we share this and copy the video URL, you can exit Chrome and open back Any Video Converter. Over here you can go into the Add URL and Control V your link and start the download. It will start analyzing the video URL and much more, but it'll only take around 10 seconds. Now that video was really quick, so it quickly loaded. Here you can see that you get the sound type, you can change audio or even add audio. You can even add some subtitle files if you have them, but I don't try and tweak that stuff. So let's say I want to change this onto my iPod's output. Let's say I select the iPod Classic, then over here I'll select the video, and then I will convert now. Should take around 10 seconds, depending on the video size. And at the end, it should show up where the video is. And look, it's the video. Now over here, you can see it's not on the best quality because the video has been compressed into a smaller size. When this will be watched on an iPod, it will appear amazing because, well, the iPod Classic size is really small. So once you close out of that tab, you get this AVC Pro version yearly subscription. Now if you want to buy the AVC Pro, which gives you all of these features, you can choose that. However, I just press X and go out of the software. Now I'll teach you how to download the software. So let's say we go into Chrome and search up Any Video Converter over here, and it pops up with the main website of the software. But I often tend to go down to the Any Video Converter from CNET because it's much easier and you get the free version over here. If you want to get the paid version, you can go to their website and stuff. You can get the free version at their website, but it's kind of a hassle. So I just tend to get it from here. Then once it's downloaded, I just go through the download procedure and all of that. However, I'm going to cancel it right now. Once it's finished, it should pop up right on your desktop over here. And then you can open it and use it as many times as you want. So I'll rate this software around a 4 out of 5. Sometimes the output can get pretty stuttery, like not in a really high frame rate, and is not always the best quality. I think you could find some better converters. However, this one right now is the free version, so maybe the better version has some better quality and more outputs. But to be honest, for the free version, you're getting a really big variety for the windows and all of those. Now, one thing they could improve on is the UI. It looks pretty old school. I would like it if it looks a bit more modern and stuff. However, when you try the free trial of the Pro version, you can see that the Pro version looks a lot better than this one. But still, it looks alright. So, I guess that's it for the AnyVideo Converter review. I'll rate this again 4 out of 5. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.